What's up, guys? Welcome back to Bimmer PhD. I'm your host, Tim, and today I'm excited to show you the final product. If you remember, we were putting a exhaust system on this car, on this 2025 BMW M4 Competition package from Valvetronic Designs. Man, does this look cool? Let me show you. Look at these awesome tips. And I'll show you the bottom of the car. All right, so this is what the underside looks like. We got rid of the 3 resonators that were here. We now have the factory catalytic converters up there, and now they connect up to this Y pipe, giving us a nice huge opening, some options for some electronics down the line, a beautiful protection cover right here, and then we have our second Y pipe right before the differential, which now splits us into the muffler setup or straight pipe. Now we currently have it in straight pipe setup, so let's hear what it sounds like. Oh, that sounds good. And then what does it sound like after we switch it back to stock? So considerably quieter, but it does sound way better than the stock exhaust system. Not to mention, we've probably shaved off about 70 pounds from the stock exhaust. So let's lower it and see what it sounds like while we're driving. Beautiful machine. Oof. Now let's see what it sounds like on the road. So we're now in quiet mode. Switch to performance over here, just a moment. So, if you want to get your exhaust upgraded, come see us at Bimmer PhD. We'll be more than happy to get you into any exhaust system that you'd like, but we personally prefer the Valvetronic Design setup. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.